I think. Yeah. So let me go to chatter. So we have to go to this 9 dot icon which we see, app launcher, and we will launch. This is how a chatter looks like. So for now I don't have anything here. Now I'm going to create a group, and this is the stream. Look, I was telling you about stream. So if I'll click on it, it will show that create your own flow of feed from records, people, and groups you choose. Okay, so I can create my own stream. And I can also, suppose for lead, I gave you example of lead, right? So I am telling, I'm choosing here leads. So whenever I'll convert a lead, that uh, notification will go to the people who follow me, like that. So if I want, I can create. So for now I'm creating a group here, and they have already given me the name of the group and everything, so I'm just going to copy it. Let's go up. uh, Group name is all sales. Okay, so this is the name. And then what is the description? Collaboration space related to sales. This is the description. Okay, now access type they are saying is public. Okay, access type is here, it is coming, so I am creating this as public. And then save and next. Skip adding a group photo and skip adding members. Okay, so now here I can add a photo, and I can also add members directly. I can go and add, but I'm going to skip right now. So this is how group is looking like. Okay, now I think this member got added for me. That's okay. We can eventually add members, right? So this is how this group is looking like. Now post a welcome message to the all sales group. So this is the all sales group, right? Now I am going to post in the share and update section. I am going to post this. Okay, so this is the share and an update option. I'm going to copy it as it is, and I'm going to post this. So look how this post is looking like. I just posted. Okay, now create all support chatter group. Okay, so now they are saying that we have to create one more chatter group. So let's create it. New opportunity, I think. Let's go back and then create again a chatter group, and the name of this group is all support. And then sorry, this is the collaboration space for all things related to support. And now the access type here is private, they're saying. And then save and next. Do we need a photo? No. Next, next, and done. Okay, so right now we are not doing anything. So next, next, and done. Post a welcome message. Now we have to post a welcome message to this group, and click on share. So here again I'm going to post this, and I'm going to share it. So this is again how it looks like. So for now we have created two groups. Okay, all support and all sales. Two group we created, all support and all sales. Yeah. Now they are saying that post a link to all support group that explains how to use mentions. Okay, so now in this we are going to post a link that shows that how we can use mention on all support pages group. Post this message. Okay, now let's post this message on all support. This is that hi support, here is a quick training on how to use the mention feature. Add the link, and then we have to add this link. Okay, so that they can click on it, and then and they can see uh that how it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to add this link here. Copy the text from step 1 on the next line, and then they're saying that how we can copy it and all. We should not have any spaces. So look, as soon as I type the link, it is coming here as a link. So with this I'm sure that my link is a link, right? I mean, it is a clickable link. It should not be that no one is able to click it. Okay, so now I'm going to click on the share. Now we will see the link is coming like this, and it is also coming like this. So I can just click on it, and it will take me to the link. So this is how they are saying that how we can share links on the chatter group, so that if if anyone wants how to see, and we can do all these kind of collaboration kind of activities here. And then I'm just going to click on verify this step. Just do this step for all your hands on. Okay. Because with this you will come to know the very little details which we skip sometimes. We don't read properly, or there can